Hello everybody, it's me Priyal. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, we shall be going to learn that how to attach multiple screens in our one project. Okay, so let's get started. So here, firstly, let me just show you. See, here you can see there is my project, and when I'll be clicking on run, and I'll be clicking on the sign up button, then you can see the screen has been redirected. So in today's video, we shall be going to learn that how the screen has been redirected and what are the methods that we should do to redirect this. Okay, so yeah, just a minute. Okay, firstly let me choose a good background color, maybe this, or a yellow color. Yeah, okay. And now I want a button. We make it as bigger, like this. Okay, and text as click me. Okay. Background color as I'm making it as pink, and text color I'm making it as black. And phone family, let it be phone size. I'm making it as 25. And next is border width. I'm making it as 6.9. Yeah. So here, yeah. So what I want is that when anyone will click on this button, I want them to redirect it on the other screen. For that, I'll be coming here. I'll be coming on new screen. In background color, let me make it as a good color. Let me choose. What about this one? Yeah. And now next what I want is, I want, okay, I don't want anything. I just want the screen only. Now here you can see this is screen 1. So what I want is that when anyone will click on this button, I want them to redirect on this screen. Okay, so for that we should come on code. Okay, here, and the ID is button 2. You can see your ID here. Okay, and next thing is I want set screen. So what I want is that when anyone will click on this button, I want them to redirect it on screen 3. So screen 3, done. So now let's run and see it. So here you can see when anyone will click on this click me, they have redirected on the screen like this. And by this feature, you can create your projects more attractive and creative. Like this is a good example. So here I've chosen multiple screens like this. So I'll be clicking on sign up. I have to write my name. Oh, sorry, my name, my age. Here I have to choose. So like yeah, you can see that it is looking very attractive. Country, and I have to click on sign up. Choose your pick. Okay. Like this, and sign up. So yeah, here you can see it is working very fine. So like this, it will be useful, and you can create your projects. And yeah, I'll be soon coming with the app that is known as Notes app, and I'll be soon coming with the video of this. And so please stay tuned and don't forget to give a big thumb on this video. Subscribe the channel and click on the bell icon to get all notifications. Bye bye. See you all.